I'm Jana with DMT Institute, and today I want to talk to you about interpreting context. For most of you, you might remember thinking about, oh, that's problem solving, or those infamous word problems that we did many of in our math classes. I would say most of us learned problem solving or word problems with looking at word clues. What words in the problem would help us determine how are we going to compute that answer. So I've put a problem up on the board. It says Mike had 15 boxes. He bought more boxes. He now has 39 boxes. How many boxes did Mike buy? This is a problem that I have used with second graders. And most of them, when they start working on it, they just automatically will add the two numbers that they see in the problem, the 15 and the 39. And when I ask them, what made you do that? Most of them will say they focused in on that word more. That more means we're going to join something or we get more of it. So today I want to share with you something that we have found very beneficial when working with interpreting context with all level of students from kindergarten through 8th grade and beyond, and that is creating a representation for that word problem. So we're going to focus in on using a bar model for that representation. So first of all, I might ask the students, okay, what do we see in this problem? Okay, they will tell me that Mike started with 15 boxes. He bought some more. We might say, do we know how many more? Nope, that's what we're trying to figure out. Do we know Mike's total number of boxes? And that's when they will say, oh, we do know the total number of boxes. That's 39. So that's where we could start that bar model in showing, oh, Mike has a total of 39 boxes. Then we might say, what was that 15? Oh, that's the 15 that he started with. And we could even get some number sense in here in building this bar model saying, what do we know about that relationship between 15 and 39? And some students might go, well, I know 15 and 15 is 30, so we're less than that halfway mark here for 15. So again, coming back and asking, what is this 15 in our word problem? Oh, the 15 boxes that Mike started with. What would this space be? What would it represent in our story? And this is that unknown. So with the bar model representation, we really can see what are our known factors, our known items in our story, and what's our unknown. And we can label these depending on where the students are with what they're working with. So here, this helps us think about what could we do then to think about finding that unknown. And we're going to work on those things at another time.